Pathe lungset puhoi na jalin tuni the givers ministry pu hagin haukip ama holam kai na in songphal morkha teachers ka zonun ama garia pathe lungset na jalin songphal hobung mite honang ki pathanom tan pakai ni enelemun nela cha igon peun jin ka kaltawun ho ina ka gimang chawin ke yang thupi sha mol mota hong kapangin kan khwa nepal pa wa ho ina pathin tu kasina ni ve chan ahin ana to ok ya lopi kasan pathin hopi ho pathe bu na ho ki palthanom ta gen the chaga hasa damo hanlang hobung ne cha chong abila pan hi pathen pathe bu de ka ta sanin nungla ma jong le pathen lam ka jing hanlang pathe bu jing ta han
Hello, friends. I am so thankful and grateful to God's servant, Timothy Evangelist Lamel, monitor of Agape Bible College, for coming and submitting the donation you have given for me, and also with his two boarding students. I have been sick for the last 2 years. A whole day, whole night I used to sleep. I cannot wait for the day. I cannot wait for the night. In this way, with great difficulties, I'm spending my life. Anyway, thank you so much for your unspeakable love and care. God bless you in a very double way. Thank you. I started my gospel magazine, The Soul of the Spirit Lagos exam, in the year 1999. By the grace of God, I could continue for some years, but due to sickness, I could not continue now. Anyway, here, a servant, the one who loves the Lord, is continuing in the same way through my voice, and he is doing the same thing. May God bless him.
comment itu kan pilih tu ni jong ama jaga kemin kita itu yang ulenau along cuma holding ting apa na hitam jenga ama pun hojo si abadin ama life celebrate ibol divin lokti ma ba jengin tum sargamahi itu jong le pakai thokit na jingido so ting le kipaman lopi tak to thah di hi ti ki che tai mu jin pathen thang bai nam hen em sum mi te ri ko te kanao te ho ata bain ahin ko ma sa ka se tan mu hoya chen dain ipui pat ti be se pha ni bu le pa ten a chen na mun dong to to lu hi tan te a ti vin ni chi mun dong an da la ke de vin tu ni ama a chai de ke di ti hin ji jong ji nei man ta lu vin ai ko hi